Hi kids, I'm Jeff. Welcome to a special edition John Deere DVD featuring highlights from our All About John Deere video series. The series is licensed by John Deere, is produced by TM Books and Video, and features Ertl toys. This special edition DVD includes the John Deere toy you just purchased. See how many times you can spot it. And now, let's get on with the show. As always, we open with a song.
Everyone knows that yellow and green. Watch 'em run smart, run fast, run lean. Helping us live the American dream, never resting till the job is done. Plowing a field or hauling stone, no better machines in the world are known. On the farm, at work, at home, the very best ton for ton. John Deere made a better plow. John Deere, name that's famous now. John Deere, I'll tell you how. It's all about John Deere. John Deere, sing it strong and loud. John Deere stands out from the crowd. John Deere makes America proud. It's all about John Deere. Quality and trust no one can deny. Name as American as apple pie. Celebrated as the 4th of July for over 100 years. Changing the course of history, still #1 in the industry. Far and wide, everybody agrees, nothing runs like a Deere. John Deere made a better plow. John Deere, name that's famous now. John Deere, I'll tell you how. It's all about John Deere. John Deere, sing it strong and loud. John Deere stands out from the crowd. John Deere makes America proud. It's all about John Deere.
This model BI, the I stands for industrial, was introduced in 1935. It was John Deere's first machine aimed at the construction market. The BI was just a beefed up B with a heavier frame and bigger brakes. It was made heavier so it could stand up to the rigors of industrial work, which is harder on a tractor than farm work. Since the BI, John Deere has produced many types of construction and forestry machines. Here are just a few: backhoes, excavators, dozers, wheel loaders, motor graders, articulated dump trucks, feller bunchers, and skidders. All these big machines perform lots of different jobs. The jobs they do are called applications. Most are painted bright yellow because when they work close to highways, they want to make sure passing motorists can easily see them. Let's talk about excavators first. Excavators are extremely versatile. They can be used for digging holes, say a foundation for a new home, to dig a trench to bury pipes or cables, load gravel on a truck, break up concrete, clean out a pond, carry equipment, lots of different things. You can usually find an excavator anywhere there are building bridges, an overpass, or repairing an interstate highway. The main parts of an excavator are the undercarriage, upper structure or house, main boom, arm, sometimes called the stick, and the bucket. Excavators are fun to watch in action. The house swings around and the bucket digs into the ground, grabbing all the dirt it can. Then the boom raises the bucket swings it around, and dumps the dirt. Before the dust settles, the bucket is back in the ground, digging for more dirt. The big crawler tracks help the excavator get it around, even if the ground is muddy. Crawler tracks are huge steel belts that spin around the track roller frame to move the machine. 2 levers control the digging, unloading, and swinging of the boom, stick, and bucket. The direction of the excavator is controlled by 2 floor pedals, 1 for each track. You steer an excavator like you do a dozer. Slow down one track and keep the other going at regular speed. John Deere makes many different excavators. The largest is powered by a 454 horsepower diesel engine, weighs 175,000 pounds, can dig 27 feet deep, and its bucket can hold up to 7 cubic yards of dirt. How much is a cubic yard? Picture a square of dirt 3 feet high, 3 feet wide, and 3 feet deep. That's a cubic yard of dirt.
She was all dressed up in yellow and green. She had the poise of a beauty queen. She was the prettiest sight that I had ever seen. She was everything I wanted. It was like a dream. The first time I sat behind the wheel, I knew right then she was the real deal. Grading a road or plowing a field, my love for her, it will never yield. Oh my dear, my love for you is so sincere. You make me smile from ear to ear. You're the only one for me. Oh my dear, she shines so brightly in the morning sun and is so graceful though she weighs a ton. I could listen all day to her motor run. When we're together we work as one. Spending time with her is a pure delight. When we're together it feels so right. And when we work long into the night, her eyes glow brightly in the pale moonlight. Oh my dear, my love for you is so sincere. You make me smile from ear to ear. You're the only one for me. Oh my dear, I say oh my dear, my love for you is so sincere. You make me smile from ear to ear. You're the only one for me. Oh, John Deere.
Let's talk about John Deere dozers. Dozers are powerful machines that run slowly on crawler tracks. They push dirt and rocks around. They go uphill, downhill, on the sides of hills, anywhere anything needs to be pushed around. Dozers sound like big bullies, but they're nice bullies.
Will you guess right or will you guess wrong? Which animals do and don't belong? Here on the farm have you forgot which belong and which do not? A herd of cows.
Yes, yes.
Some polar bears.
No.
Here on the farm have you forgot which belong and which do not? What about an elephant?
No.
A rooster?
Yes.
Oh, is that so? Here on the farm have you forgot which belong and which do not. But a tiger prancing all about, a gorilla dancing leaves no doubt. A chicken,
Yes!
a tiger,
No!
a bear and an elephant really must go. Here on the farm have you forgot which belong and which do not? Will you guess right or will you guess wrong? Which animals do and don't belong?
Hot weather is hard on people. Hot weather is also hard on roads. When it gets very cold in the winter, road surfaces contract or shrink. When it gets very hot in the summer, road surfaces expand. This contraction and expansion causes roads to buckle. When roads buckle, bumps are created, and it's the job of the State Highway Department to fix these bumps so the roads stay nice and smooth. A John Deere road grader with a special blade is making the repairs. The special blade has teeth on the bottom edge. When the blade is dragged across the bumpy area, the teeth shave or grind off the bumps and make the road smooth again. Do you notice anything different about this John Deere grader? You got it, it's painted red. Most John Deere industrial equipment is painted yellow. Michigan has two departments of road repair. One department works on county roads and the other on state roads. The county's equipment is painted normal John Deere yellow with white lettering. The state wanted their equipment to look different, so they ordered custom painted red equipment from John Deere. I like the red. I think it looks sharp. Most of the time, John Deere big machines are used to build things. But sometimes, you have to tear down the old before you build the new. This John Deere excavator is using its front bucket to tear down a refreshment stand. For years, this stand sat behind home plate at a Little League baseball field. It served lots of pop, hot dogs, and popsicles. But now, they are building condominiums where the baseball field used to be, so the refreshment stand has to go. Josh, the operator, uses his bucket to crush the refreshment stand into little pieces, so it will be easy for the front end loader to pick up. The front end loader will scoop up the trash, dump it into a truck, and the truck will take it to the scrapyard. I know we have to build new homes, but I'm gonna miss the old ball field. I used to play there, and that refreshment stand sold the best popcorn I ever had. Otto, you loaded the wrong truck. Now get back there and unload that truck right now. And I mean right now. Oh, no. Okay, time for our real or toy game. I'll show you a tractor. You tell me if it's real or toy. Okay, ready, set, go! Even numbers were toy. Odd numbers were real. How'd you do? Loggers use a machine called a feller buncher. It's called a feller buncher because it cuts down, or fells, the trees, then gathers the trees in bunches. Get it? Feller buncher. Today, Stan is the man at the controls. There is a circular saw at the end of that long arm. Stan maneuvers the arm to where he wants to cut the tree. Then he activates the saw, and the saw cuts through before you can say timber. Stan is working in a forest near Vancouver, British Columbia, in Canada. After the trees are felled and gathered, a John Deere harvester trims the limbs off and cuts the tree trunks into shorter lengths. Next, a machine called a skidder comes along. The skidder pushes or skids the logs over the bumpy ground using its front blade. Or the skidder picks up the logs with a grapple and stacks them in piles where they are picked up by a John Deere forwarder. The grapple is a crab-like device that opens its jaws to pick up the heavy pile of logs. The forwarder is designed to pick up the logs, stack them in a carrying bin, then carry the logs over rough terrain to the loading area. Once in the loading area, knuckle boom loaders take over. They load the logs on trucks, and the trucks carry the logs to the sawmill. Otto, I told you to cut the trees down in the woods east of the road, not west of the road. Now get back there right now and put those trees back the way you found them. Oh no!
others far behind. Only 2 cylinders make her go. When you hear that sound, everyone will know. Listen, chums, now here it comes. When you hear that sound coming through your town, the answer is clear, it's a big John Deere. First ever engine of its kind, left the others far behind. Only 2 cylinders make her go. When you hear that sound, everyone will know. Listen, chums, now here it comes. When you hear that sound coming through your town, the answer is clear, it's a big John Deere.
I love Toy Trains, one of the most popular children's series in the country. See Toy Trains, Real Trains, Funny Toy Train bloopers, and the music of award-winning singer-songwriter James Coffey. 12 shows on 4 90-minute DVDs, plus the final show, a 45-minute special, and oh no, wall-to-wall laughs and fun. 14 shows, all on 6 DVDs. Awards include the prestigious Parents' Choice. For more information, call 800-892-2822 or visit us on the web at tmbv.com.
It's a wonderful kind of feeling. That's the reason I love toy trains.
Oh no! Now available from TM. I Love Big Trains DVD. Wall-to-wall real train action. 3 shows all in one action-packed DVD. See steamers, electrics, diesels, and interurbans. All aboard for a high-ballin' ride on the rails. All this plus the toe-tapping music of James Coffey. Prepare to be amazed. 105 minutes, $19.95. To order, call 1-800-892-2822 or visit us on the web at tmbv.com.
I love big trains.
Saddle up your horses, roundup time is near.
Don't miss All About Cowboys Part 1, 45 minutes of exciting cowboy action. See amazing trick riders, heart-pounding rodeo action, a world-class trick roper, original music by Bethany Zill, plus lots more.
My Phyllis dear, to yon blue mountain free, where blossoms smell the sweetest. Come roll along with me. It's every Sunday morning when I am by your side. Let's jump into the wagon and we'll all take a ride.
Don't miss it. See all new Western adventures and All About Cowboys Part 2. More exciting rodeo action. See a fast draw expert. Learn how to ride a horse. Go on a cattle drive. Plus new songs by Bethany Zill. And a lot more.
Is fresh and the sky is white and blue. Where cattle graze on the prairie range and a cowboy sings a tune.
Don't miss it.